Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Quilfire from Transformers Robots in Disguise. So, we all know that Quilfire is one of the main fugitives from Transformers. And, he's the bringer of chaos. He's kind of a rebel and believes that there shouldn't be any authorities allowed. And, known fact about Quilfire is that he has an assortment of quills that he uses in battle. And if you ask me, Quilfire is he uses those quills to defend himself, but the quills have different effects, especially death. But at least that's just a rumor. You see, Quilfire has one time used the quills to make Bumblebee act like a child. That was the last time we saw him act like that. Plus, sure, it gave the Autobots a hard time to find him, but they managed to catch him anyway. Anyways, Quilfire made a return in one of our mini-cons is missing, and he even teamed up with Springload in order to escape, and even took control of a tank. Anyways, they both ended up back on the Alchemore. Quilfire tricked Springload into thinking he was going to lead him to Doradus, when he was actually leading him to freedom. He made him believe that he could see the spirits. That's something, isn't it? Anyways, there hasn't been any proof that Quilfire has a toy release, but I think I saw it once before. But I would like to see Quilfire again. Oh wait, he did. He made a comeback in Season 2. And he also made a comeback in Season 3 when he was part of Clampdown's crew. Plus, he was green. Plus, okay, so, here's when drawing him. You have to draw the quills on his back. Basically, there's like 3 or 4 or 5 of them. Okay, here's his arm here. Alexa, what is Doradus?
The Office is a comedy show starring Steve Carell, Jenna Fisher, and John Krasinski. A mockumentary on a group of typical office workers, where the workday consists of ego clashes, inappropriate behavior, and tedium. The series has an IMDb rating of 8.9 out of 10 and is rated TV-14.
Now, here's his arm here. Okay. There we go. There's his foot. Man, this is taking an awfully long time. Alexa, what is the universe tree?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. Known as the World Tree, Yggdrasil was said to lie at the very center of the universe, supported by 3 roots which extend far away into varying locations. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
And done. That's how you draw a Quilfire. Pretty awesome, huh? Anyways, so, who's your favorite Decepticon in the series? You could choose from any one of them. What is it, Steeljaw? Was it Overload? Was it Hammer Strike? I like that guy. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. And I'll see you guys again soon. Alley Hooper League!